And good morning, everybody. We are back here at Clark International Speedway. Get ready for 10 laps coming up on the Pirelli and Petron Sprint Philippines Superbike Championship pre-final. Here he goes. This is MM189 and his Aprilia from the Motul Revo Racing Project. And he now holds the record fastest lap at Clark International Speedway, 1 minute 47.7. Here at Clark International Speedway, 1 minute. Red light is on, and off it goes. The fans are screaming here at Clark International Speedway with the amount of excitement that is building up courtesy of positions 2 and 3 racers. There goes the Aprilia making a move. The Ducati on, here it is now. Ooh, MM189 sending a traditional message to Troy Alberto. This is a need for Troy Alberto to get to position 2, but MM is quick. Marvin Maulab now was quick to retaking position 2 over here. So Revo Racing Project takes position 2 here. It's time for the race final of round 1 for the Philippine Superbike Championship, presented to you by Petron Sprint and Pirelli. You can see, yeah, we have the sun beaming down on Clark International Speedway today. They are ready for battle. Off we go. Then Marvin Maulabnan moves up to P2 right here, switching, dividing actually the Ducati boys for their 1-2 campaign, creating a Ducati sandwich, and Marvin Maulabnan tries to make an inside line maneuver. This has been a situation for Marvin Maulabnan, but he tries to change it and succeeds. Makes an inside line maneuver on the Akasha curve. Oh, look at the aggression on the shifts by Troy Alberto. Wow. Well, there goes the move by MM189. He takes position number 2 back on the side of Motul Revo Racing Project. And MM189, the Motul Revo Racing Project takes the 3rd spot in the highest form of competitions on 2 wheels here in the country.
So, hi guys, kakatapos lang ng first round natin ng 2025 Philippine Superbike Championship. So, it was really a tough and a good race. Yung pre-final natin is 2nd tayo. Then, yung final race is 3rd. Maganda yung naging battle namin ni Troy. Mas mahirap lang. Siyempre, it's 2 versus 1. So, ganun talaga. So, we're gonna do our best again for the next race. I'm happy that nakuha ko yung pinaka-fastest lap record or new fastest lap record dito sa Clark International Speedway with a time of 1:47.7. I'm very happy with my team. Siyempre, thank you so much sa buong team. sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa racing. It will be a malupit na season for this 2025. So, syempre, who will be the first 5-time Philippine Superbike champion? Syempre, goal din natin yan. Kaya tayo nandito is to, syempre, to compete. So again, thank you so much to all of my sponsors. Syempre, walang iba. Infiniteserv International Corporation. Boss Charlie, thank you so much sa pag-provide ng paddock, sa walang sawang suporta. To our team manager, Boss Pete, thank you for coming every race, for your support and everything. Motul Philippines, Motul Luzon by Infiniteserv. And syempre, to my new official racing partner, Motul Revo Racing. And to one of my new major sponsors, DSE Holdings and Management Corporation. Siyempre, Suomy Helmets, Alpinestars Gears, SSS Sprocket, R&B 326 Racing Team. Thank you so much, Ma'am Mitch. And to my new sponsor, our technical partner, RESO. Brembo by Infiniteserv, our official tool, Toptul Philippines. To my official timepiece, DSE Philippines. Sa nag-design ng bike ko, VisualAize, thank you. To my girlfriend, thank you. Aim and Jewelry. Siyempre, Innovator. Siyempre, thank you so much, Imprint Customs, para sa bago naming team uniform. Ganyan. Thank you. So, yung next shirt namin, nandun na yung mga final sponsors. To my group, GP Boys, thank you. Huck PH, Qstarz Philippines, YSS Suspension. Again, thank you sa lahat ng sumusuporta, sa lahat ng sponsors, sa lahat ng fans, sa mga nanonood ng race, sa live. Yan. See you next round.